Welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you are old, welcome. I am back with another video, and today I am collabing with Celie hair. They sent me this bomb 5x5 closure burgundy wig, and I was being salty with y'all. I decided to put this wig in a side part because you know when you get a closure, you usually do a middle part because that's mostly the only part that you can do. So I decided to do a side part. It was very much giving, very much cute. I definitely would recommend trying it on your 5x5 closure, y'all. You know, just to give it a different look. Everything will be in the description box, y'all, but we about to get right into this video. So guys, this is the final look. I really enjoyed collabing with Celie hair. Definitely love this look. It definitely gave a look like, stop playing. That girl is not one of them. Everything will be in the description box, literally everything. All my information, the link, website, my discount code, y'all, literally everything. Go shop with Celie hair. Let them know that I did send you. As I said before, you can use my discount code to get money off your purchases. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat if you already haven't. We on the road to 50K. You already know the vibes. Don't forget to tell a friend about my channel. And I will see y'all in my next video. Until next time.